Hello, and I'm just going to talk you through the OCR Sports Studies qualification that we offer within the PE department. So the OCR Sports Studies qualification is a level 1, level 2 qualification and runs over 2 years. It will involve both theoretical and practical lessons, so the students will spend time in a classroom, in a computer room, learning and then completing controlled assessments, and they will also be assessed via practical lessons and moderations that will take place via those. Over the course of the 2 years, the students will study 3 different units of work, which will be set out by the PE department, and I will cover in the next few slides. So students will have 5 hours over the course of the 2-week timetable to study this qualification. And within this qualifications, the students will not only develop their knowledge and understanding of the key information within the specification, but we also aim to develop a wide range of highly desirable transferable skills, such as communication, problem-solving skills, teamwork skills, and that ability to perform under pressure. These skills are very useful when moving on to further education and jobs in the future. So the first unit of work that we look at is the R187, Increased Awareness of Outdoor and Adventurous Activities. This unit of work is out of 40 marks and is assessed via 3 pieces of controlled assessment. So coursework that is completed and will be internally marked by the member of staff, but will then be externally moderated by the exam board. Within this unit of work, the students will look at the different types of outdoor and adventurous activities that are available both in the local area as well as nationally in the UK. They will learn about the benefits that taking part in outdoor and adventurous activities can have for individuals, and they will then learn about how to take part in those activities safely, finding out the different types of equipment they need, how technology has changed and it can be used to help you in those activities. The students will also complete a plan for a lesson that they would like to teach of an outdoor adventurous activity, and within that they will have to show their knowledge of how they would keep their students safe within the lesson. The second unit that we look at over the course of the 2 years is the R185, Performance and Leadership in Sports Activities. This one is out of 80 marks and again will be assessed via pieces of controlled assessment, which will be marked internally but then again externally moderated, and the students will also be assessed as a performer in 2 different sporting activities. There is a wide range of activities that the students can take part in, and these will be decided between the student and the teacher. Also within this unit, the students will have the opportunity to be assessed as a leader. Okay, so they will have to plan their own session that they will teach to their fellow peers. They will then deliver this and be assessed on their delivery, and they will then review how effective their session was, looking at strengths and areas for development within their session. The students will also have to explain how they would modify and improve their session if they were to do it again. And finally, we have the R184 Contemporary Issues in Sport unit. This is the final unit of work that we cover, and this has to be completed as within year 11, so in the year that the students are qualifying. As I said, this is an exam and is out of 70 marks. The exam lasts 1 hour 15 minutes and is an externally set exam. Within this unit of work, the students will look at a number of issues relating to sport. So they will look at barriers and potential solutions for people to enable people to take part in sport. They will look at the different values that sport promote and how these are promoted. They will look at the role of major sporting events and what the possible drawbacks and benefits are for the host countries. And they will now look at the roles of the national governing bodies. So, what the national governing bodies are, what they do, and what they are responsible for. They will also look at how technology is now used within sport. So, things like VAR in football or Hawkeye in tennis. And they will look at what benefits this has brought to the sport, but also what negative things it has brought for that sport as well. So, for example, the amount of time it's taking for decisions to be made, etc. So, like I said, this will be assessed via a 70-mark exam, which lasts for 1 hour 15 minutes. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to come and speak to one of the PE department who will be more than willing to share their advice with you on what the course is about, or if you need anything else clearing up, we will be more than happy to help. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye bye.